Hello kids, today we will draw a fishbowl. So let's start. First draw a long flat oval shape, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now draw a small curved line on side, then slowly connect it. Just draw like me, and look how great it's looking. Well done! Now draw a circle. Make the bottom a little flat. Make both sides curvy and bottom flat. Good job! Now draw the base. First draw a small line on both sides, then connect it. Good job! Look, we complete the bowl. Now let's draw water inside it. Do the same thing. Draw a curved line and make the bottom a little flat. Just draw a line it's parallel. Now connect the upper part with an oval shape. Make the oval shape just like this. Look, we draw the water. Now draw some wavy and curvy line at bottom. Just make it like this, and look, we draw the sand. Now let's draw a cute fish. First draw the fish body. Make it like an oval, and draw the mouth. Well done! Now draw the fish fins. Draw the upper part. Then draw the lower part. Make some curvy line, and it's done. Now draw the tail. Draw the tail big, like this. Good job! Now draw the fish hand. We almost complete the fish. Lastly, draw the eye. Draw a dot, then draw a circle, and it's done. Look how cute the fish is looking. Now let's draw some plant and make it more beautiful. Draw a line, then draw some small circle, and make the leaf. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now draw another plant on other side. Draw a curvy line, then draw the leaf. I make the leaf different. Just draw like me, and look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use sky blue color and color the oval shape. We are coloring only the glass. Color the lower part. Then color the circle area. Don't color the water. Color the side carefully, and don't make any mistake. Color the thin area very slowly, and don't color outside. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now use brown color and color the base. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. You can also use different colors and make it more beautiful. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Now color the water. Use blue color and color the oval shape. Now color the water carefully. Don't color the plant. Just color the outside, like this. Color step by step, and slowly fill the color. Color the outline of the fish, and don't color the fish. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Also color the upper side of the fish. And look how cute it's looking. Well done! Now use skin color and color the sand. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Now use green color and color the plant. Color only the plant, and look how great it's looking. Color the other plant, just like this. Now let's color the fish. Use pink color and color the fish body. Make sure not to color the fin and eye. Now use red color and color the fin. Color the tail first, then color the fin. Lastly, color the hand, and it's done. Lastly, use white color and make it more cute. First, draw a line on glass bowl, like this. Now draw a line on water. Make a small dot on eye. Now draw a line on stand. Lastly, draw a line, like this, and it's done. Good job! We complete the drawing. Look how beautiful it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.